Subliminal TV.
So it didn't rain, and I left Caffeine and Octane and came to this other show that they have on the other side of town that seems to be pretty cool. My friend invited me, Alex. So I'm gonna go out here and take a look at what's going on. I see some cool stuff though, for sure.
Yeah, about 30 minutes she was down.
Classic Porsche.
That's got a 455.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
But if I just sit there for a minute and then turn it on, it's like the gas gets out of the bowl or something. That was interesting.
Nice. The weather is getting nice now, for sure. This is a little bit different to seeing though. This is like more like a classic car show, and I like it. I actually like it. Oh, that's clean. Oh my God.
Shit, I guess I'll tell the wife I'll be home in a minute. How you been, man?
It's nice.
Yeah, when people change cars, I forget.
I know, I'm like, I feel like
A couple of classic Ferraris.
acceleration, stopping, turning, braking.
Listen, 355 Ferrari. You don't have any idea. This was the car that I wanted so badly. This is what I dreamed about. Back when I thought I would never even imagine it. So back to the 355. Man, look. Wow. I wanted this car so bad.
Anyway.
I love dark blues like that. No. No, it's just kind of par for you. Pick your things and spend money. Yeah.
I know, I got here.
Porsche. Say what? I did help you. I filmed it. You good?
Oh man.
How you doing, my brother?
Okay.
You got a camera out today?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Joshua. Nice
Aaron.
to meet you go to CNO this morning?
I was there.
Did you go down? Did you come down this way?
No.
No.
I was in the Porsche, so you probably, what you
Okay.
saw? A Ferrari. You thought it was,
It looked almost just like it.
no, I was driving the Porsche this morning.
Is there somebody else in the Atlanta area with another silver? The Raptor. I thought about going by, but I still think it's
Also gated. Also gated.
good seeing you, man.
Yeah, same here. See you at the lounge.
When's the next big event?
What you was talking about?
Which exhausted out on.
I like shows like this. It was pretty cool seeing the classic cars. I tell you, when I see other people's classic Ferraris, it makes me really appreciate my Ferrari. I like newer cars too, and I sometimes get rid of my older cars and get the newer version. But even when I get a newer Ferrari, that would not take away me wanting to hold on to the gated 360. Thanks for watching.